Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to review the brand new Honda electric scooter, the Icon E. In this video, we will take a closer look at its front profile, side profile, rear profile, handlebar and speedometer, and finally discuss the technical specifications. So let's get started. The front profile of the Honda Icon E is very impressive. The scooter comes with a 1990 tubeless front tire mounted on a beautifully designed matte finish alloy rim. Honda has also introduced a dual disc caliper braking system in front which ensures strong and effective stopping power. The front forks features a stylish dual tone finish in matte and chrome giving a scooter premium touch. Moving upward, the headlight design is modern and attractive, equipped with DRL along high and low beam option. The indicators are LED instead of traditional halogen bulbs, making the scooter looks more futuristic. Overall, the front profile of Icon E is both sporty and elegant. Now let's talk about the side profile. The Icon E has designed with smart and slim body, avoiding any bulky dimensions. This makes it easy to handle in urban and traffic conditions. On the rear side, you will notice the Icon E badging and matte finished grab rail for the passenger comfort. The scooter proportions and designs look very balanced and stylish, giving it a modern and attractive side profile. Moving to the rear profile, the tail light design is very beautiful and modern, perfectly matching the scooter overall styling. The rear indicators are also sleek, while the rear fender is made of strong matte black plastic instead of metal, making it lightweight and durable. We will also find a rear deflector along with two side deflectors for extra safety. The swing arm is finished in black to match the overall theme. The rear tire size is 90 cross 100 supported by comfortable rear suspension. The performance really well on Pakistani roads. Overall, the rear profile of Icon E looks impressive and practical. Now let's talk about the handlebar and speedometer. The handlebar design is kept simple and functional. On the left side you have the light, high, low beam switch, turning indicators button and the horn. On the right side you will find the mode selector button with two riding modes equal and standard. The digital speedometer is very informative. It displays speed, battery percentage, kilometer range, riding mode, turning indicators and light beam indication. Both levers work as a brake. The right lever control the front brake and the left lever control the rear brake. Below the handlebar you will see the ignition switch and shutter lock for the adding security along with buttons to open luggage compartment and battery compartment. There is also a smartphone luggage space for carrying essentials. Now let's talk about the dimensions. Overall length 1796 mm, overall width 680 mm, overall height 1085 mm, wheel size 1298 mm, ground clearance 132 mm, and turning radius 1.9 meter. Motor specifications, motor type DC brushless, motor installation location, rear wheel, rated power 1.5 kilowatt, max torque 85 Newton meter, consumption rated power 34.7 kilometer, riding capacity 2 persons and weight capacity 150 kg, dry mass 86 kg, driving modes 2, standard and eco. The frame type underbone type, cruising range 53 km in standard mode and 65 km in eco mode. Front suspension telescopic, brake system combined brake system CBS, battery voltage 48 watt, battery capacity 30.6 Ah, battery weight 11.6 kg. So this is our detailed review of the Honda Icon E electric scooter. It's a modern, stylish and eco-friendly option for city commuting, offering advanced features with Honda's trusted quality. If you like this video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more automotive reviews. If you see in next video. Allah Hafiz.